Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's class, we are going to see ABAP programming and we are going to start our ABAP programming and coding. So in the last class, we have discussed about transaction codes and SAP GUI overview. So quickly recap that SAP GUI overview and transaction codes. If I go to my uh, SAP Easy Access screen. So you have remembered that this is our SAP Easy Access screen, and the top this one is our menu bar, this is our command bar, this is our title bar, this is our standard toolbar, this is our screen area, and this is our status bar. So in the command bar, if we enter any transaction code, it will take us to a specific program or a tool. For example, SE38. So we will start with SE38 as we are starting our ABAP programming series. So let's get back to our theory class. So what is ABAP? ABAP means Advanced Business Programming Language. Okay, Advanced Business Application Programming. Advanced means ABAP, Advanced Business Application Programming. Same as Java. So it is a programming language, and why it is used? It is used to create application and programs and SAP products. We can use ABAP programming language. So to write the code, where we will write the code? We will write the code in SE38 ABAP Editor. This is our ABAP Editor. So ABAP Editor. What is the use of ABAP Editor? We will write our code. Whatever we will write the code, we will write in ABAP Editor, and the transaction code is for ABAP Editor is SE38. So what is ABAP Editor? ABAP Editor is a tool where we will write our code. Okay, and how to go to ABAP Editor? We have to enter the transaction code SE38 in command bar. Okay, so let's start our programming class. We'll see practically. Okay, we are in SAP Easy Access screen. So if I enter SE38, we will go to the tool SAP ABAP Editor. Okay, so now we are in SAP ABAP Editor screen. So whenever we create any object or any program, so we have to start the name with Z or Y. Okay, any object or any program we are going to create, we will create with the name starting with Z or Y, because this is custom object or customer object. These are not defined by SAP. These are not created by SAP. We are going to create it. So what are the things we are going to create? We will create it with starting name Z or Y. So we will start our program. We'll create one welcome program for today's class. So we'll see Z program 1. We'll name it as Z program 1. We'll select the create option. Next thing is title. Whenever we start our ABAP programming, we create a program. We have to give a meaningful name to the program. What purpose of the program? What is the purpose of the program? We can mention in the title section. Okay, this program is for welcome or demo program, so that we can know about the program details. Okay, this program is belongs to a demo program or a welcome program. Okay, so what is the program name? Z program 1. What is the title? Welcome or demo program. Now if we go to the type, it is executable program. There are other variants also, include program, module, pool, function. These things we will see later, but as of now we will see executable program. What is the meaning of executable program? Any program that we can execute, any program that we can execute to get a specific result is called executable program. Any program that we execute to get a specific result is called executable program. In simple words, if we execute the program, we will get the result. That is why we have to select it as a executable program. And next thing is save. So if we click on save, another pop-up window comes up, and what it is telling, it is asking for package. So as of now, we will save it as a local object. Local object is the object which will be in this system only, in this client only. It cannot be transferred to other systems. So we will save it as a local object, and I'll explain you about local object. So whenever we are creating any custom object or any test object, we have to save it as a local object. Now if I go back to my PPT, here the local object. So generally, whenever what is the SAP landscape? SAP landscape is, first one is our development system, where we develop our object, or where we create our program, or where we create different kinds of object. Then we will send that object to our quality system. Okay, after testing we will send it to production system. Okay, after testing we will send it to production system. So what we did now, we create a demo program, right? We demo program, and system was asking for a package. Okay, so what will happen here? Suppose it is not a demo program, we are creating a live object or live program which will help in our business. So we created our program or object, program 1 in development system. What we will do, we will cover it with a package and with help of transport request, TR request, we will send this package to quality system. Understand? We create a program, we covered it with a package. That's why system was asking for package. So we create a program, we keep it in a package, and with help of TR request is nothing but a medium that will use to send package from one environment to second environment, development to quality. With help of TR, we will send the package from development to quality. In a single package, we can have multiple objects. We can have hundreds of program, we can have hundreds of class, we can have hundreds of function modules, we can have anything in the package. Not only single program, we can have many programs also. So we will send the package from development to quality with help of TR, transport request. So what is a transport request? Transport request is a medium through which we will send the package from development to quality, same from quality to production, with help of TR. Same package we will send to quality, and from quality, after testing, we will send it to production for go live. So this is our local object. But what is local object? Local object is a object which cannot be transferred to development to quality. It will be only for this system, only for demo or testing purpose, only for training purpose only. Okay, only for learning purpose. So we create a program. This is a demo program. We create a demo program. Where we will save it, we will store it. We will store it in a local package. Okay, local object. We will store it as a local object. So once we declare it as a local object, so there is no package needed for this demo program. It will be stored in a local object package which is called $TMP. Okay, what it is called? $TMP. So what we understand now, as of now, if we are creating live object or business object which is not demo, or which needs to be transferred from development to quality and quality to production for business use, for that programs or object, we will create a package for those programs. We will save those programs and objects in that package. Okay, we create a package, we'll save the objects in the package, Then with the help of TR request, we will send to quality system. Okay, similarly from quality to production, and then after it will go live, those programs or objects. But in case of demo one, demo program or training program or learning details, okay, we will save it as a local object. We will save it as a local object. Local object. So for local object, we don't need package. Okay, we don't need have to create package. There is already a predefined package for local object, which is our $TMP symbol, dollar symbol and TMP. Okay, dollar symbol and TMP. Let's go back to our SAP Easy Access screen. So we create our program, first program. Okay, what is our program name? Z program 1 is our program name. We created our Z program 1 in SE38. So in the screen as of now, what we see, Z program 1 is our program name. Now, if we see here, report Z program 1, this is a statement. This report, every line in ABAP, every line is a statement. Okay, every line is a statement which will ends with a dot. You can see the dot here. You can see the dot, right? So dot. This is called period. Every program, every statement, every program have our first statement. This is first statement. Report and report name. What is the program name? And report name is the first statement of every program. Suppose we are going to create another program called Z program 2. So what will be the first statement of that program? Report Z program 2. Suppose we are going to create Z program 3, another program. What will be the first statement of the program? Report Z program 3. So that will be the first statement of each program. Report name is the first statement of this program, and each statement ends with a dot, which is called period. The dot is called period. Every statement in a program, suppose we are writing thousands of statement or thousands of line are ending with a dot. Okay, and ending with a period. So what we learn here, every program starts with a statement report name, which ends with a period, or every statement ends with a period. So now you can see that report is in blue color. This is a keyword which is in blue color, and this one is in black color. Whatever the thing which is in black color, those are created by us or written by us or customer, and those are in blue color which are defined by SAP. Okay, which is defined by SAP. So report is a predefined keyword. It is defined by SAP already. There are many keywords. We will learn each and everything slowly. But as of now, report is a keyword which is predefined by SAP, and Z program 1, this program 1 is in black color. It is written by us. So this is our first statement in SAP ABAP programming. Report name which ends with a period. Okay. In the next class, we will see about data types, variables, and some other standard SAP keywords. We'll see each and everything. Now if we go back to our PPT, so what we learned in the today's class, what is ABAP, which is our advanced business application programming. So where we write the ABAP code, we write the ABAP code in SE38, which is a tool for and what is the tool? ABAP Editor. Okay, where we write the ABAP coding, we write the ABAP coding in ABAP Editor or SE38, which is a tool. We learn when we learn ABAP Workbench in SE80. So if I go to transaction code, we see that SE80 is ABAP Workbench, which is a collection of tools, right? ABAP Workbench is a collection of tools. SE38 also inside ABAP Workbench only, right? Similarly, These all are tool. SE11 tool is for ABAP dictionary. SE37 is for function modules, to create function modules. SE24 is to create class. And the SE80 ABAP workbench is a collection of tools where we can do individually each object. We can create each object. Similarly, SE38 is a ABAP editor, where is a tool where we will create our ABAP programs. Okay. Now, whenever we will create any new object or program, it will start with Z or Y. Okay, Z or Y. It will start with Z or Y. So these are called custom objects or customer objects. Okay, this object or program are called custom object or custom programs or customer object or customer program, because these are created by customer, not by SAP. Okay, these are created by customer or us. Okay, then once we create the program with Z or Y, we have to give the title first, the meaningful title. Okay, meaningful title. What is the purpose of the program? Why we are going to create this program? Okay, what is the use of this program? And it should be a executable program. Whenever we click on execute, it should provide us a result. Okay. After creating the program, we will save it as a local object. Local object, what is the package of local object? $TMP. Okay, $TMP is the package name. Package name. Don't worry about the package tree or request. We will cover each and everything about package, creation of package, what is package, creation of package, how to create package, how to send package with TR request. Okay, how to create TR request, what is TR request, how will we send from development to quality, each and everything we will learn point by point. So don't confuse as of now. Just remember, once we create our object or we create our executable program, we have to save it as a local object because it is our demo program. We are not going to send this program from development to quality. We are creating this program just for learning purpose. So we will create as a local object, and local object are stored in $TMP package. $TMP, dollar symbol TMP package. In $TMP package, local objects are saved. Now, once we create our program, what is the first statement of the program? The program is, first statement will be report and report name. Okay, report name. What will be the statement? Report name. You can see report and report name. Report in Z program 1. Z program 1 is the program name. Okay, so if I go back to the PPT once again, then every statement ends with a period, right? Each and every statement ends with a period. These are not case sensitive. We can write it as upper letter, or we can write it as smaller letter. There is no issue with that. We can write it as, see, as of now I am writing the complete statement report Z program 1 as all upper letter. Okay, if I write it as small letter also, no problem with that. Okay, so for that we have to to write it as a lowercase letter. We have to change it the scenario in Pretty Printer. We will see in the next class how to change it to upper class, lowercase, regarding the letters. We will see. Now, after writing the program, what we have to do? We have to first save the program. Okay, so that we can use it as later. Suppose this program is not complete, right? This program is not complete yet. So we have to save it first so that we can use it later. So once we click on the save option, you can see in the status bar, program Z program 1 is saved. We get the notification that program Z program 1 is saved. After saving the program, we have to come here and we have to click on check syntax. Check syntax. And what is the shortcut? Control plus F2. And for saving, what is the shortcut? Control plus S. For check syntax, Control plus F2. So if I click on check syntax, I can see that program Z program 1 is syntactically correct. So there is no error in our coding as of now. There is no error in our coding as of now. So if I remove the period here, if I remove the dot and if I save it, okay, program is saved. Now if I check the syntax here, see, we can get an error. Program Z program 1, we have one error at line number 9. In the ninth line, we have one error. The last statement is not complete, period missing. Okay. So here in each and every program, in each and every statement, it will ends with a period. We have to provide the period. Now again save. Check syntax. Now it is correct. Now the syntax is correct. Report, report name ends with a period, or any statement which will be ends with a period. Once we check the syntax, we have you can see that this program Z program 1 is now inactive. It is not active. We have to active this one. So active. Okay. Now the program is active. Okay. For what are the things we need to do? We have to write the code. We have to save the program. We have to check the syntax. We have to activate. What is the shortcut for activate also? Control plus F3. What is the for saving? Control plus S, and control plus F2 is for check syntax. Activate, and after activating, we have to execute the program, right? We have selected as a executable program. So once we execute this, we will get some result. So as of now, we just write the report name only. So we'll not get any result, but yes, we will see what we are getting after executing. So this is our execution button, direct processing, or we can enter it as a F8. So if I enter execution button, so what I will get? Nothing. Nothing I will get, because we have not written the complete code, or we have not written any code that will show us result. As of now, we have just created the program. We have write one line which is predefined report name. It is created by SAP only. Okay, this statement is created by SAP only. Report name. Then we save the program, we check the syntax, activate and execute. For an example, if I see write is another keyword. See, we can see that we can write it as a lowercase letter. Okay, lowercase letter. Write welcome to SAP. Okay, now it is a statement. It is a statement. Write welcome to SAP. What is the last thing we have to do? We have to end it with a period. Now period. Now again we will save it. We will check syntax. It is syntactically correct. We will activate. And once if I execute this program, what it will does, we'll see. See what it is shows. What it shows? Welcome to SAP, right? Welcome to SAP. Welcome or demo program. When we are going to when we created the program, we give the title as welcome or demo program, right? Remember, we give the title as welcome or demo program, right? When we created the Z program 1, okay, when we created the Z program 1, at the title section, we give it as a demo welcome or demo program 1. That is why in the title section, once we execute in the title section, it is showing as welcome or demo program 1. That is why we have to give the title, because it has something, it has some meaning that, okay, this program is regarding welcome program. Okay. Now, what is the keyword? I told you, right? If it is in blue color, it is a predefined keyword. What is the use of this write keyword? Write keyword is used to display our result. Now, what are the things? Suppose you want to display something on the screen. You want to display something on the result screen. So now here I want to display welcome to SAP. Okay, welcome to SAP as a result. That is why I write it with write keyword. Write welcome to SAP. It is inside a single column. Okay, single column, semicolon, single column. In we can call it as a literal. We will see each and everything about the right keyword, about column operator, about single column operator, and about period, about this green color, about this blue color in the next class. Okay, in the next class we will see what is right keyword, what is literal, everything we will see in the next class. I hope you enjoy the class. I hope you understand completely the basics of ABAP programming and how to start ABAP programming. So if you have any questions, you can comment in the below of the video. If you have not watched my previous videos regarding basics of SAP ERP or architecture or SAP landscape, then please go and watch the videos, and please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we will grow and grow more. And I will try to complete the SAP ABAP tutorial series within 1 to 2 months. Uh, Thank you for supporting me, and thank you for watching this video. Please watch and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you everyone.